In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and want to automate emails within this project management tool, you're in the right place. So grab a notebook or your favorite device for note-taking, sit back, and let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Monday.com using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account because all changes need to be done from within your personal dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your main workspace, which houses all your boards and projects. From here, locate a specific board where you'd like the automation to take place. Clicking on the board will open it up for you, providing a detailed view of all the tasks, activities, and lists contained within. Next, look towards the top of the screen once you're in your board, and you'll see a tab labeled Automate. This is your gateway to setting up any automatic functions you desire, from sending emails to updating columns. Go ahead and select this tab, and you'll be directed to a page that lets you manage current automations or create new ones. Now you want to click on the Manage button. This area lets you oversee all existing automations, ensuring they're running smoothly and serving their intended purpose. Whether it's managing a small task or a wholehearted campaign, this feature keeps everything organized and under control. After reviewing what's currently running, turn your attention to Create Automation. Selecting this will bring you to a dynamic interface where you can see an array of different preset automations to choose from. Pick the one that fits your needs or create a custom sequence tailored to your unique workflow. This is where the fun begins, as you get to tailor actions precisely, syncing to specific triggers and criteria relevant to your projects. Customizing your automation is crucial, so proceed by adjusting the settings. Here, you can add various conditions or rules that define when an email should be sent. Whether it's based on a specific time, an updated status, or any other trigger, these parameters ensure the automation works seamlessly with your working style and project requirements. Pay special attention to details. This allows the automation to perform flawlessly. Finally, once you're satisfied with your setup, you should see prompts on the screen that guide you through saving and activating your newly created automation. Following these indeed ensures everything gets implemented without a hitch. Always remember, if you need adjustments in the future, you can return to the Manage section and tweak settings as needed, and there you have it, a straightforward process to automate email sending in Monday.com. By integrating these automations, you're not only saving time but increasing efficiency and accuracy within your team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on maximizing your